What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the black and white display issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down and then lift your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, if you are still facing the issue, then to fix this issue, open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now in additional settings, tap on accessibility and then go to the VNs tab. Now here tap on color correction, and if you have enabled the color correction, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off color correction, it will fix the black and white screen. But after turning off color correction, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down and tap on display and brightness, and if you have switched to dark mode, then sometime it will cause the black and white screen issue. So switch back to light mode, and after that it will fix your issue. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings last time and then tap on about phone and then scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data option. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including apps, accounts, photos, videos, contacts. Everything will be deleted. And after resetting your phone back to default, the black and white screen issue will also be fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white display issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.